Joshua Parker game against Celje. Big win, 4-0, but we must say that the red card was the key factor of this match.
Yeah, I think it was a big turning point, but I think we're due some luck. Like, things haven't always gone our way in recent games, but obviously we've got a bit of a blessing today, but I think it was a red card, so can't really say much about it.
It's a massive win also for the team because you got some points and the standings are now much better to see.
Yeah, I don't think it was a question of if we was going to win. I think it was when we was going to win, especially at home. I think our performances are always good, but as I say, we just needed that little bit of luck, and today we got it, and we got it quite convincingly in the end.
Your form is superb. Another 2 goals. I think you're very happy about it.
Yes, I am very happy. It's funny because the other day in training, I asked Luca for a favour. He said, what do I get in return? I said, 10 goals. I said this like off the cuff, just it's the first thing that came to my head. And I was like, but I said before December. He was like, okay, I take that. So obviously that's 2 down and 8 more to go.
Wednesday, new match, now away against Triglav. Tough match.
Yeah, I think every game's a tough game. I think with the momentum and the confidence of the players at the minute, I think we should get another win, hopefully.
How is the team spirit? How is the team game on the pitch? Do you feel yourself with the other players?
Yeah, the spirit's much, much better. I think that's Luca's input into the team because obviously he was a coach before and he had a relationship with the players, and I think him being in charge has now made that relationship a bit better, and everyone's happy, smiling, and I think that reflects on the pitch.
Thank you very much. Keep on the good work.
Thank you very much.